How to remove green screen inside OBS. Yes, in my last tutorial I showed you guys how to remove green screen using vmix, how to get rid of chroma key, how to use the chroma key filter using vmix. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use chroma key in OBS. All right, so this is my easy worship right here. As you can see, I have my lower third scripture and I have my green screen right here. All right, so I will be showing you how you can get rid of the green screen so you'll be left with this lower third right here. All right, so if you want to learn how I created this lower third scripture, I already created a tutorial on how to do it. All right, so I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. Click it, watch the tutorial, and you can achieve this result as well. All right, so let's dive straight in. So this is my OBS right here. Let's go to our scenes, click on our plus sign, and let's name it as easy worship. Easy worship, hit OK. Come to your sources, click the plus sign and add NDI source. All right, add NDI source, hit OK. Under the source name, click the drop down arrow and select easy worship live. All right, hit OK. All right, so let's make it full screen. Right click, come to transform. You can actually press Ctrl S, or you come to transform and select straight to screen and then you lock. All right, so we have our lower third scripture. Now let's get rid of this green screen. All right, so click the NDI source, go to filter, click on this plus sign right here, and then you see chroma key. Select chroma key, hit OK. Right, you can see the green is gone. But if you notice that the edge of the lower third you created is still showing green, you can use this similarity to adjust it. If you watch closely, you will notice that the yellow is not showing the way we programmed it inside the easy worship. All right, so use the similarity to bring back that yellow color, but be careful so that you won't bring back the green screen. Okay, all right, I'll suggest each time you want to remove this chroma key, bring a, if it's lower third lyrics, bring a lyrics that carries a yellow color translation. All right, and if it's scripture, make sure it carries yellow so that you get your work done perfectly. Right, so once you are done, you click close and you can see we now have our lower third scripture. All right, so if I bring in a video, let's just add one video media source. Let me just bring a video. Let me go to this place, select this video. I click on it, transform and straight to screen. Right, so you can see, take for instance, this is a camera right here and we want to overlay the lyrics on this camera. I can actually come to this camera, click on this plus sign, come to scene, all right, and then select my easy worship. Okay, and then I'll click OK, and my easy worship is here. So you can see the lower third scripture is now displaying on our camera or our video. You can see it on the output screen right here. All right, so this is how to remove green screen inside OBS and how to use chroma key in OBS. All right, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload new tutorial. All right, if you have any question, drop it at the comment section. If you are confused in any area, just drop it at the comment section. If there's any tutorial you would want me to do or to work on, just let me know at the comment section. Okay, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, all right, the link is in the description of this video. Click that link and it will take you to WhatsApp so you can join my WhatsApp platform. All right, so don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media.